Now the topic before us is what is a barter system? First of all, we try to understand what is barter system with the help of photographs. Here you can see that say a person A is having only tomatoes and the person B is having carrots. Now A person wants carrots and the B person which has carrots wants tomatoes. If they exchange goods with each other or the produced goods with one another, it is called barter system. Here money is not used as a medium of exchange. In the modern world, what we do, we go to the market, say we purchase tomatoes, we pay for the same by way of currency, that is printed notes or coins. But if we look at thousands of years ago, currency was not in existence or the people were not having access to the currency. So they were using barter system. They were exchanging goods with one another. So barter system is a system in which there is direct exchange of goods or services between two persons without the use of money. Here you can see that if a person C is having only apples and he wants the services of a carpenter. On the other hand, the carpenter wants apples. So the person or the farmer who is having apples may arrive at agreement, verbal agreement with the carpenter that you do some work at my home and in exchange of that, in exchange of your services of carpentry, I will give you some apples. This is exchange of goods with the services. Here the services are being rendered by the carpenter and the C will in return give some apples to the carpenter D. So now we will have what is the meaning, exact meaning of barter system. Barter system is a system of exchange by which goods or services are directly exchanged for other goods or services without the use of money. Here two things are important. One is direct exchange of goods and services. And the second point is without the use of money. Money is not used in the selling or buying of goods. Another definition is it is an old method of trade where two or more parties exchange goods or services without the use of money. The question may arise whether in the barter system only two parties are involved, A or B. No. This definition says that two or more parties may be involved in barter system. We will understand the same with the help of example in due course of time. The barter system, that is this form of trade, has been used for thousands of years and was a prevalent means of trade before the advent of modern currencies. This system of barter, that is direct exchange of goods and services between persons, remained in force for thousands of years. It was prevalent thousands of years ago and it remained in vogue for thousands of years. But now these currencies have come into existence, say rupee, dollars, printed notes have come into existence, coins are there, or we are using credit card, debit card, internet banking. So many other forms of money have come into existence. Now the barter system is less in use. Now we use money mainly as a medium of exchange. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.